Welcome back to Lesson 3. In the last episode, we covered all the letters representing vowels. And in this lesson, we'll start looking at consonants. In particular, letters that have two forms. Be reminded that these letters cannot connect to the next letter. Let's dive in. The first one is waw qusbilge, which corresponds to the Cyrillic letter V. You will notice that it looks similar to some vowels we learned last time. It has a base of waw with a V shape on top, hence the name bird. Let's practice with a few very common suffixes originating from Slavic naming traditions. Now let's write two real words.
Венгрия,
Omarova,
Next, we have del, which corresponds to Cyrillic letter D. I like to describe it as a taco shell lying on its side. Let's see how it's written. Be sure to keep the bottom half of the taco flat against the bottom line. Now let's write some real words.
dip, әділетті, ыдыс,
Next up, we have ra, which corresponds to the Cyrillic letter re. It's like an elongated comma or a curvy banana. Let's see how it's written. Try to keep the part above the bottom line rather straight at a 60-degree angle before curving to the left and down. Now let's write some real words.
рахмет, бір,
This is our last consonant of the lesson, zayin, which corresponds to the Cyrillic z. This is essentially ra with a dot above. Let's see it in practice. Easy enough, right? Now let's try some real words.
зат, біз,
Alright, now you've got the vowels and 4 consonants under your belt. Continue on to the next lesson to learn more. See you soon!